Hey guys, I'm Adam here with RDO in Moorhead. Today we're going to look at taking the 120R loader off of a 1 Series compact utility tractor. When we get ready to take the loader off of the 1 Series compact utility tractor, we're going to want to make sure that the bucket is level to the ground. Go ahead and push forward on the hydraulic lever, lifting the front tires up and off the ground. That'll release actually the pressure off of our pucks to lift up and to take the loader off of the machine. We'll be able to pull straight back on the hydraulic lever once we've released both pucks, and you'll start to see the parking stand of the loader actually come down to make contact with the ground. We're going to go ahead and demonstrate this for you now. I'm going to make sure the bucket's level to the ground. Lift up on the hydraulics, you'll see the front tires have come up and off the ground. Release the puck on the left and the puck on the right. We're going to pull straight back on the hydraulic lever, and you'll see the parking stand coming down to make contact with the ground. As soon as it makes contact, what I like to do is set the brakes so the tractor doesn't roll ahead. Continue pulling back until both pucks drop back down into the safety park position. At this point, we're okay to go ahead and shut the machine off and take the pressure off the hydraulic lines, and then we can go ahead and remove them on this side of the tractor. All right, nice part about John Deere hydraulic lines hooked up here, you'll see that they are all color coded, so there's really no method to the madness of how they get hooked up. Just pull back on the coupler and the line will come off just like so. Once the hydraulic lines are disconnected from the machine, it's good to go ahead and put the dust caps on all the lines. And then go ahead and tuck them away on the loader. At this point now, we're ready to back the machine away from the loader, and we're free to go. All right, so now we'll go through the procedure of how to attach the loader to the tractor. I like to go into low range, so that way I've got a slow amount of movement here as we get up to the loader. We'll drive up and just kind of line up so the tractor's straight to the loader. I'm going to pull up just so the front axle just touches the parking stand. Just like so. We'll want to go ahead and shut the machine off and take the hydraulic pressure off of the couplers. Come around to our lines here on the loader. Once again, they are all color coded. You just line up blue to blue, red to red, black to black. Seems to work a little better to do the bottom two first. Just like so. Once again, I'm going to go into low range, push just directly forward on the hydraulic lever. You'll see the loader start to come down, and then you'll actually drive the tractor in to line the loader hook with the saddle on the tractor. Once both pucks drop down, you're ready to go with the loader. Just to kind of wrap things up here today, we went through how to take the 120R loader off of the 1 Series compact utility tractors. Contact your local RDO dealership with any questions. Thank you.